Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another WhatsApp tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys to do one simple thing. So I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on dark mode on your WhatsApp. It's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is just tap on the three dots here to your settings here. Then let's choose settings. And now on here let's move to our chat. You get it. So at the chat section we are going to see the themes, the wallpaper and the chat history. So now let's choose that. So good. So you can see we have the theme as the first option here. So now let's tap on the theme there and then we can switch to a dark mode. And now let's tap on that and now let's tap on OK. And good, our WhatsApp is changed now to a dark mode. So that's it. So now you can switch your WhatsApp to a dark mode. So now let's switch it back to light mode. So you just tap on that once again and then you tap on the light and then you tap on the OK. And then good. So that's it. On now you can switch your WhatsApp to a dark mode. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.